Thank you, Mr. Chairman, very much. In Massachusetts and communities across the country, we have an epidemic of heroin and prescription drug overdose that is absolutely out of control. Buprenorphine is the active ingredient in Suboxone and has proven to be an effective treatment for opioid use disorders. However, actions by Indivior, the producer of Suboxone, may have made the crucial drug less accessible as a treatment to deal with this problem. Indivior is alleged to have violated antitrust laws by conspiring to block generic competition, extending its monopoly over treatments for opioid addiction and driving up drug costs. 35 states and the District of Columbia have recently filed a lawsuit against the company, and public documents show that the Federal Trade Commission has begun an investigation into Indivior's actions, but the investigation was significantly impeded by the company's repeated attempts to deny the Federal Trade Commission access to documents that were critical to its investigation. And it now appears that the court has recently ordered Indivior to turn over all remaining non-privileged documents. Now, I've sent a letter to the Federal Trade Commission on this issue to investigate whether or not Indivior has engaged in unlawful behavior to delay the approval of cheaper generic competition, which could help deal with this incredible epidemic of heroin, prescription drug, fentanyl overdoses in our country. Do you have enough resources at the Federal Trade Commission to be able to take that issue on and to get it completed in a timely fashion? We just see a spike across this country. We need more help.
Senator, yes, thank you for your question. I had an opportunity to talk a bit earlier about the importance of examining and monitoring the pharmaceutical marketplace, and I can assure you that we're very active. I can't comment on the specifics of any investigation, but I can tell you that we are certainly doing everything that we can with our resources. We could, of course, always use additional resources, and we've made appropriate requests from Congress with regard to our budget in order to fulfill our dual mission of protecting consumers and promoting competition. But what I can tell you with our existing resources, we're doing everything that we can.
And does that mean that you are right now aggressively pursuing Indivior and its attempt to control the market for buprenorphine?
All I can say publicly is to let you know that we certainly are continuing with our investigation, but unfortunately, due to confidentiality restrictions, I can't say more than that.
Okay.